No, I'd like to mention item number 3.
Item number 3.
3, yes, Your Honor. I'm from the respondent side, Your Honor.
You've taken consent from the other side.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm for the petitioner. Okay. On the prayer of the learned counsel for the respondent, matters sentenced and be listed
Up 3 weeks.
after 3 weeks.
Okay, interim order is here.
Interim order, passages shall continue until further order.
And Your Honor, item number 13 also, Your Honor.
30.
So 1-3.
Okay. Yes, that's the affidavit.
Yes, Your Honor. We are still trying to trace the address of the respondent, Your Honor.
You have taken steps through the ST,
Yes,
but you do need to file an affidavit.
yes, Your Honor. Your Honor,
When will you file it?
Your Honor, here actually the border parties, they are trying to mutually settle the matter outside the court.
Maybe file the affidavit that you have served the ST. That's all.
Yes, Your Honor.
Learned counsel for the petitioner prays for 2 weeks' time to file the affidavit on the ST service. Prayer stands allowed, list after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged. Interim may be continued.
Huh?
Interim may be
Interim order,
continued.
parcel shall continue till the next date of listing.
Okay, Raj.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 10 and 11.
10 and 11.
Yes. My lord, leading counsel is out of station.
Okay.
So matter
It is submitted that Mr. Chiti Tara, learned counsel for the petitioner, is out of station. Accordingly, a prayer for adjournment is made on his behalf. Prayer stands allowed. List after?
and after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
And my lord, item number 19 also.
Item number 19 also.
Yes.
Same one. Huh? 19 who appears? I appear for respondent. Respondent. They are for the. Why this is FAO? It should be RFA. Why registered as FAO?
And
You are enjoying it?
no, I am for respondent.
You are for a respondent.
And then next time, madam. So this is not even ready for hearing. The positions are also not annexed. I pointed out last time, I think PCR has come now. That also will have to prepare paper book, will have to prepare in their post.
Learned counsel for the who will you are for the respondent.
I am for a respondent.
Learned counsel for the petitioner shall prepare a paper book and submit it before the registry with a copy to the learned counsel for the appellant. List this matter after
3 weeks.
after 3 weeks.
Bless.
Back to mention item number 20.
Okay.
Here, my lord, punishment was for 3 years. It's over now. I have taken instruction 0 months.
Okay. Mr. G. Pangin, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the accused has already spent the sentence and he has instruction from the accused appellant that appellant to not to press this appeal in view of the aforesaid the present appeal criminal appeal stands closed on not being pressed. With the learned additional the public prosecutor has not objected to suspend.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4. Yes. Here I'm for the respondent, Lordship. I have taken the consent from all the parties. This is a joint prayer. Kindly, this matter may be fixed on 7th of May.
7th of May.
Yes.
On a joint prayer of the learned counsel for the parties, list this matter on 7th of May.
Bless you.
May I lordship?
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 18.
Item number
18.
18.
It will be listed after 1 week. After 1 week.
Service is complete.
Do you the here PCR of
Service is complete. Record has also come. This write it down. When you want?
after 1 week.
List this matter after 1 week, after 10 days. in the admission column as the scanned copies of the TCR has already been received. Yes.
May I please?
Where is the order sheet?
Lordship,
Last, how many days you are absent?
Lordship, only 2 days.
Where is that?
Yes, Lordship, page number 37 and 38.
37 and 38.
Yes.
But order says otherwise.
Lordship, I have filed dispense application on the other day, on the ground of my ALD.
Huh?
On the other day,
But the order says that accused person defaulted on several occasions to appear and bailable warrant were issued against him.
Lordship, on that day, I appeared through my counsel by filing a ground of my ailment, Lordship.
Hmm.
That is in the record. So only on the next 2 days, I inadvertently, I have failed to notice the date. That's why I have not appeared. Lordship, I am facing a trial of negotiable instrument act of rupees 3 lakhs only, Lordship. And I ready to face the trial. Lordship. So in the,
Heard,
yes.
Mr.
Peter.
Learned counsel for the application. Yes, tell us.
Yes, Your Worship, this is a non-deliverable warrant of arrest issued against the petitioner. And as per the provision of BNSS, the issuing court has the authority to recall it when person appears before and permits. So this court may not be interfered with.
No, we are not interfering with, what we are saying is that he has given this undertaking
Yes.
before this court that he will appear and not default, and this was for bona fide reason of this ground. And therefore, the learned trial court will consider all these aspects until such decision is taken for recalling of the order. He'll pass a fresh application. The warrants will not be executed.
Lordship,
That's all.
Lordship, yes.
We are not setting aside this order.
No.
We know that should be taken by that, but if he wants, because now if he appears, he should be put behind bar.
Yes, yes.
Let him file an application explaining all the things, and the court will decide it. Till then, no warrant shall not be executed.
Lordship.
That's all.
Pardon.
Swenso and Mr. Swenso. The petitioner is facing a trial under section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act in CR case number 70/2023. He is aggrieved by an order dated, where is that? 38.
Yes. 23, 2025.
Order dated 27/1/2025. He is aggrieved by two orders
Yes.
dated 27/1/2025 and 20/03/2025, whereby non-bailable warrant of arrest has been issued against the petitioner for defaulting for his failure to appear before the court on fixed date. Learned counsel for the petition. Where is your paragraph? Why explanation?
Para 5.
Huh?
Para 5.
Paragraph 5, page.
Page 5.
The petitioner, learned counsel for the petitioner, referring to the present petition, submits that non-appearance of the petitioner before the trial court on 27/1/2025 and 20/03/2025 is neither intentional nor deliberate. Not in deliberate. According to him, the petitioner has been regularly appearing in the trial, and the petitioner undertakes that he will regularly appear before the learned trial court on subsequent dates of hearing of without default. Without default. What is the ground of non-appearing on 2 dates?
Lordship, on that 2 days, yes, Lordship, there was a miscommunication of the dates between.
Where is that? According to the petitioner, she did not appear before the aforesaid 2 days, as inadvertently the petitioner was told that the next date of appearance of the appearance was 27/4/2025 instead of 27/1/2025 and 23/2025. Be that as it may, in the considered opinion of this court, the petitioner, petitioner has given certain explanation for non-appearance and has also undertaken to appear before the learned trial court below on regular basis. And therefore, in the considered opinion of this court, the matter should be relegated back to the learned trial court below to consider the explanation given by the petitioner, inasmuch as if the petitioner is really serious and willing to face the trial without default, the learned trial court may consider the same. Full stop. Accordingly, the present petition stands disposed of, relegating the petitioner before the learned trial court to file a fresh application to recall the non-bearable warrant of arrest issued against him.
Her,
Huh?
she's
Huh?
a lady.
Huh?
Petitioner is a lady. Her,
Lady will not give any exemption.
no.
Full stop. People will accept them. Again, her, with explanation available to her. On such application being filed, the learned trial court may consider the same as per law and pass a revision order. Full stop. Till such determination is made, the warrant of arrest and then NBW issued in terms of the aforesaid orders that it's when so shall remain suspended.
Obliged.
It disposes
May
that
be given to consider my application before.
we have given it on 50,
Yes.
the learned counsel for the accused shall appear before the trial court on or before 5th of May 2020.
Lordship, on such appearance, I may not be.
That's why I say warrant is stayed, suspended, or what more is required?
Obliged.
We have suspended the warrant till that application is decided. We have not set aside, but suspended. That's,
Later.
you cannot have a better order than this.
Later.
Yesterday's matter, on three or four occasions, my lord, the illegalities has been committed by the respondent authority. Firstly, my lord, the short notice, only 1 day. Second is, my lord, there is no publications in the website, my lord. It has to be, my lord, published in the web portal, my lord. These days, my lord, the web portal is, my lord, encouraged by the.
You want your concern is all the,
My lord, illegalities, of course, my lord, I
no,
visit-
you are a bidder in which you
For serial-
intended to bid for which work?
my lord, particularly, serial number 2, my lord,
Only for two he is qualified.
only for
Yes,
serial
yes.
number 2.
Only for two. Two relates to which?
Relates to my lord, the for construction of 4 units type 2 quarter.
G plus one at Gov Secondary School to
Correct.
Papumpare.
Correct, ma'am. But this is the work where I'm entitled, ma'am. However, my lord, my.
Where is the date of agreement? Any agreement entered?
Yes, agree, after agreement, they issue letter to proceed with
No,
work.
pursuant to your furnishing of requisite performance security as stipulated and signing of the contract for unit 420, you are hereby instructed to proceed with the execution of the said work within 7 days from date of agreement in accordance with the contract documents. Where is the date of agreement?
It's not mentioned here, but
Date of agreement is not entered yet. This is a proceed with work.
it should be mentioned.
Like, when the matter is submitted before the honorable court, he says might have been executed.
Oh, they can.
No, no.
Because there is no stay order. They can. That there is no
Yes.
doubt.
So therefore, my lord, that's,
But he is not a party here.
my lord, at that relevant point of time, it is not known, whom the work has been abided.
When you have filed this writ petition?
My lord, filed on, in the month of, my lord, April. It was filed on, my lord,
You filed an impleadment petition
Madam.
of respondent number 4. This person, T Tana Enterprise,
I mean, still we haven't.
Huh? T Tana Enterprise. And maybe we may take up this, can you file it tomorrow
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We'll
for
file.
impleadment of an
Impleadment.
application?
Yes, ma'am.
File it, we are taking up this matter tomorrow.
Well,
Let it be tomorrow, I have some.
Oh, he is not here.
on Monday,
Monday or Tuesday.
Tuesday, madam.
Anytime.
or in the meantime, my lord,
Please, we'll have it on Monday.
Yes.
You file the IA tomorrow. Can you, we list this matter IA tomorrow
Okay,
because that will be necessary.
yes.
Heard, okay, heard M. Kato, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. G. Tarak, Learned Standing Counsel for the Rural Work Department. The present writ petition, you have filed the order, last order, first paragraph, second paragraph. Though, that items from eligible contestants, second paragraph, in the second paragraph, you add this. Pursuant to such standard, the present petitioner is concerned with the work contract of construction of 4 unit type 2 quarters within bracket G+1 at Government Secondary School, Toru, Papumpare District. Full stop. Pursuant to this court's order dated 30/4/2025, Mr. Tarak, Learned Standing Counsel for the Rural Works Department, has produced a communication dated 25th of March 2025. Produce a communication dated 25th of March 2025, which goes to show that notice to proceed with construction work has been issued in respect of the aforesaid work to one Messrs. T. Tana Enterprise, POPS Sagali, Papumpare District, Arunachal Pradesh. In view of the aforesaid, the said entity shall be a necessary party. Accordingly, said Mrs. T. Tana Enterprise, POPS Sagali, Papumpare District, Arunachal Pradesh is impleaded as respondent number.
respondent number 4, madam.
Respondent number 4. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner is to amend the cost title.
Respondent number 5, madam.
Respondent number 5.
Well.
The Learned Counsel for the petitioner is to amend the cost title. Amend the cost title and submit the same before the registry along with a copy to Mr. Tarak,
Ma'am.
place this matter again on Monday for further consideration.
The public.
Others not necessary because we cannot,
Yes.
you give a copy to him.
My lord, there is some technical mistake.
Huh?
I'll give.
No, this, the T Tana Enterprise, is not it?
Yeah, yeah.
Please verify.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it? If it is, you verify, this is the issue in your case? If this is issue, otherwise we may have some mistake, no? This is, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you give a copy to him.
Okay.
And we have already implemented.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll take it up on Monday.
Yes.
Let it be clarified. But subject to you submit a cost title today itself.
I'll submit.
Then only we can have it on.
Oblige.
Different.
Hindi na.
Where is the affair?
Fellowship. Page 11, Lordship.
Yes, they are in a live-in relation. And her grievance is that he is not supporting her children. Both have filed this joint application.
Yes, Your
Where is the agreement?
Page number 26, Your Lordship.
Page number.
26.
Dispose of.
Lordship.
Dispose of. Compromise, husband and wife,
Matrimonial issue, Lordship.
Huh?
My matrimonial issue, Lordship.
matrimonial issues. Hard MSU,
Rimi.
T,
Rimi.
Tame Rimi,
Yes, Your Lordship.
and she is additional to dispose.
Oblige.
Huh? Fifty. Yes, where is the affair?
FIR. Page number 15 and 16 is type copy. The FIR is lodged against their husband by the wife. And after the incident, a mutual settlement between the parties. Initially, my lord, there are sister wives fighting between the sister wives, and the
Mhm.
husband intervened.
This application is filed by whom?
Joint application.
Join two or three?
Two, yes, two.
There
two-
are three person involved.
Yes. Here, made as a another wife as a co-accused. Accused petition number one is
No. Who are the petitioner here?
a complainant informant. In this case, is a petition number one.
Please fill that. One is Saru Nargis Kipa,
Yes, informant.
petitioner.
Yes.
Huh? Petitioner
Complainant,
number?
petition number one is a complainant in this FIR.
Okay. Then
And
Pura
petition number-
Akek Tar.
Yes,
This is
Petitioner number
two.
two is a husband.
No, petition number two is a
Perfect.
sister wife.
Huh?
Sister wife, third wife. Third in number wives. Sister wife
What is the
fighting.
relation between Saru and Hura?
Uh,
Brother-in-law?
yes, no. My lord, petition number two is a third wife. And
Third wife of?
third wife of petition number three.
Okay. So, where is the petitioner number three?
Petition number three is Charu Ake. This is a
Where
husband.
is that? Tharu Ake. Hello. Just a minute.
The FRY is
So, P2 and P1 and P2 are wives of P3,
yes, sister.
isn't
wife.
it?
Yes.
And there is a fight among three.
Fighting
And
between,
now, and they now compromise.
yes.
Okay.
After it,
Petitioner number 1 and 2 are two wives of petitioner number 3. The petitioner number wife lost the FIR against petitioner number 2 and 3, alleging assault on her. Assault on her. Subsequently, they have entered into an agreement. Where is that?
page number 24.
Page number?
24.
How many wives he is having?
Frankly speaking, I have three wives.
3 wives.
Yes, and
Why
fighting
you
was
have not brought her to the fight? Entered into an agreement? No.
My lord, some clarification on the arms act has to be given, your lordship, is squashing. If the
Uh-huh.
question is.
Arms act will have to be, that's why I have, so it's a family dispute. Now coming to the arms act, where is that arms allegation of arms?
20.
arm is not affected at all as per my version.
FIR, there is no arms.
No, your lordship, arm has been seized, but it is a licensed arm.
Yes.
So according to your lordship, the section 25 and 29 will not be attracted, but other sections, but not this section.
What are the other sections?
Your lordship, other section, it is not registered under the section. Actually, it's a violation of the condition under section 30 of the Arms Act. But this
But
section,
what is the, any scan copies? It is in the investigation stage or?
yes, your lordship, I have the case there, your lordship.
So far relating to the scuffle and fight, this court is of the opinion that this is a big case where this court can interfere with the can set aside the investigation on being settled by the parties in as much as it is a family dispute between in the family. First of, it is also important to note that having more than one wife is permitted in the customarily in this region of the state in certain communities.
Yes.
In certain communities. Now coming to the allegations under section 27/25 within bracket 9 of the Arms Act, the case diary discloses that pistol .32 auto was recovered from the possession of
PW3.
petitioner number 3. However, it is also on the record that such gun was a licensed gun. What about the gun? Where is it has been granted?
Your Lordship, perhaps it is still in the custody of the police. Your Lordship.
Huh?
Perhaps it is still in the custody of the police, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, it's seizurely shows that it has been seized.
But vehicle and all that has been returned.
Yes, sir.
Vehicle released.
But there are gunshots in the vehicle.
That is there, Your Lordship.
He tried to, both were fighting.
Yes, Your Lordship.
His both wives were fighting in the street. And somebody informed him, this is on the case diary.
Yes, sir.
Somebody informed that your two wives are fighting, so he came and gave some blank fires. Isn't it?
Exactly.
But how will you compound these gunshots in a public place? I think they will themselves not charge you under 25 and 27.
Your Lordship, actually, it has been registered under 27 and 25(9). But Your Lordship, my submission would be, Your Lordship, these both sections are not attracted.
Not attractive.
Yes, because it's a license arm.
Ah.
But section 30 would attract, but
30.
it was not registered under 30.
Not registered.
That is the issue here, Your Lordship.
That is your, please give the answer. From the case diary, there is no dispute that the gun was a licensed gun. Section
27, Your Lordship.
27 of the Arms Act
On contravention of section 5.
just a minute, section 27
Yes, Your Lordship.
of the Arms Act 1959 deals with with punishment for using arms in contravention of section 5.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Section 5 deals with use, manufacture, obtain, procure, from a sale, transfer, convert, repair, taste of food, prove, or expose or offer for sale or transfer, or having in possession, just like this. Section 5, amongst other, deals with bars, possession of any arms and ammunition without license.
Yes, absolutely correct.
However, admittedly, in the case in hand, the gun which was allegedly possessed by the petitioner number 3 was a licensed gun, and detail of such license is also available
Yes.
in the case diary.
Now, Your
Now
Lordship, please.
coming to the section 29.
25, 25, Your Lordship.
25,
Subsection 9.
subsection 9.
Yes.
Coming to the materials so far relating to section 25, subsection 9 is relates to use of firearm in a rash or negligent manner in celebratory gunfire so as to endanger human life or personal safety of others
Explanation
is made punishable with an imprisonment for term of 2 years. In the considered opinion of this court, this is also not a case
Yes.
as available on the case diary.
Yes.
Therefore, taking note of the totality of the matter, more particularly for the cleansing material which are available on record, that the petitioner number 1 and petitioner number 2 were fighting on a street, and somebody informed the petitioner number 3 as regards such quarrel, and accordingly he reached the place with his gun. Considering the matter in entirety, in this court is of the view that further prosecution of the petitioners in the connected case shall not give any fruitful result, in as much as the dispute between the husband and 2 wives has already been amicably resolved. Accordingly, the present petition stands allowed. Case diary be returned back.
Yes, my lord, and item 17 is a counter FIR. Item 17,
Okay.
there is a counter FIR. There, firearm is not there. Arms Act is not there.
Okay, counter FIR filed by the.
One of the victim, your lordship, wife.
Petition.
Join the both the petitions. Who is item number 17? You are,
Yes.
Same.
join both the petitions. First FIR is for this, second FIR for this, and this is the.
Yes, sir. In second one, Arms Act is
Arms
not there.
Act is
No
not
clarification required. your lordship.
Highly obliged.
Obliged, your lordship.
17 units to dispose of.
17. Yes.
2 FIRs, one by death and others. I will dictate the order at the chamber. Item number. Bail,
Yes, my lord.
case diary received? Or it is search sheet file?
Already filed, my lord.
Already filed?
Yes, my lord.
Can copies are there?
I have
Can
checked the
copies
record,
are
my-
called for?
Yes, my lord. I've checked the record, my lord. It is
It is there?
there.
This year received this morning only, Lordship.
Huh?
This year.
You have received, no? Yes. Where is the FIR?
FIR, my lord, will find
Page number 15, Lordship.
page number 50.
Type of page 8, page number 17, 18, Lordship.
What is this position of the trial as on date? The girl is examined? Trial has commenced, isn't it?
My lord, trial already this prosecution evidence has already been taken, my lord. It has been closed.
Now,
Now I am told that it is in the stage of 313.
bail cancellation is difficult. Why you want a cancellation of bail?
Your Lordship, the bail was.
Anyway, why should we, you are for
I'm respondent 5.
respondent?
In
of-
item 15.
Huh?
In item 15.
Item 15.
In item 14, there is only one private respondent.
Petitioner to take fresh steps upon respondent number 2 in proper and correct address. Please this matter after 4 weeks in criminal number 01/2025. Okay. And what is about the other?
In other case, Your Lordship, the service is already completed. And meantime, CD may be called for, Your Lordship, this case.
This is also cancellation.
Yes,
Yes.
Well, we'll call the city late, same order in both the cases.
yes, Your Lordship, same,
In The other appeal, item number,
15.
after
15.
number 15, write an order that this matter is ready as regard service. To stop list along with the other matter. Okay? After 3 weeks.
Highly obliged.
14 and 15 same. 14 and 15 is together.
Your Honor, note the steps taken, service report is awaited.
Await service report in respect of, await service report in respect of sole respondent and list this matter after 3 weeks. With an updated office note.
My lord, phrase states can.
You want to?
Yes.
The learned counsel for the applicant prays for and submits that he may be granted to take fresh steps upon respondent number 2. Prayer stands allowed, such steps be taken within a period of a week from today.
Yes.
List this matter after 4 weeks. Just with an service report. With an office note on service report. Now,
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship may kindly adjourn this matter for today, Your Lordship. At least after 1 week.
on the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, matter stands adjourned and be listed after 10 days.
Highly obliged.
For the respondent.
None appears for the petitioner on call, though Mr. Tariq.
Yes, ma'am.
Huda Tariq, learned counsel for the respondent is present. In the interest of justice, matter stands adjourned and be listed after,
After 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks.
Obliged.